Hey guys, it's RobJ here, and today I'm going to be showing you in this short video how to open up a AntKit horizontal acrylic nest for cleaning or other purposes. Okay, so you're going to need a 5.5mm spanner, or here I have a hex key. This cost me about £1.50 and I'll link it in the description. You're also going to need a 2mm Allen key for the top half of the nest bolts. Okay, so I'll try and keep you in focus while I do this, but what you're going to need to do is simply start unscrewing using your Allen key to hold it in place and your hex key to actually do the turning. Now I'm going to fast forward through this and I'll catch you at the other side. Okay, at this point you're going to want to peel off the very top layer of acrylic and place that down face first so you don't scratch the inner side. Then what you're going to do is try and peel the next two layers off, the sponge and the connector, as one. Okay, and we'll place that to one side as well. And finally, these are the bits that normally get very dirty. You got your bottom layer and your floor. So you use warm tap water and something that's very clean, so like a cotton wool pad or some fresh kitchen roll, but nothing that could have any bacteria or anything on it, because you wouldn't want that to develop inside your nest. So once you've cleaned it and you've cleaned the inner wall parts as well, and it's thoroughly dried with you using some kitchen roll, you'd start reassembling. Now if you've disassembled a medium nest, this can be quite a little puzzle, because there is a lot of parts to a medium nest and a large nest. But this one's relatively easy. You just put the layers back as best as you can and insert all the screws into the holes, but obviously they're raised on the other side so they won't go all the way in. So put them in to line up the acrylic. Once you've done that, attach a screw and then start tightening all your screws. Okay guys, hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you next time.